always liked to build things and solve problems. An academic path with engineering focus came natural to me. My name is Daniel and I've been working at Alfa Laval for 4.5 years. The last year and a half as a chief engineer, technically responsible for new development projects. I have a girlfriend and a daughter of 2.5 years. And as many others, I try to put the pieces in the daily puzzle together. I want to work out, be challenged at my job, have time for hobbies and my family. Alfa Laval offers solutions for all those areas. I like the atmosphere at Alfa Laval. The technology level is high and there is no prestige among the personnel. We focus on diversity and equality within the staff to reach our deliveries and milestones with robustness and precision. At Alfa Laval, we also focus on what happens outside office hours. There is a gym, a gymnasium with aerobics, table tennis, badminton, volleyball, a separate tennis court, and several sections that provide possibilities to play golf, fish, play music, discuss art, and much more. A typical workday at Alfa Laval for me contains mostly of technical discussions and planning, mainly with our factories, our lab, and our development projects. Alfa Laval will challenge you to become better, and at the same time give you the means for it. So, what are you gonna do today?